Sorry, the fact that I'm like, let's go. Yep. Currently headed to West Virginia, and oh no, we're not. We're headed to Florida, and we're currently in West Virginia. So, oh gosh, the guy probably see me streaming. He's like, oh my gosh, weirdo. So anyway, yeah, I started driving 3 hours ago, but I just had to get on the road, so I couldn't start my initial video. So yeah. This one says they have showers and a game room. Oh, they got the massage chairs. Oh. Seems more like let's see how much these cost. Oh, $2.75. I think they're always $2.75. Yeah. This is the station shell area.
If we can survive the night in Midland. So we're headed to Midland. It's about 74 kilometers north of here, about 52 minutes away. So we're gonna try to get there.
Okay, today's lunch is going to be turkey wings with, what the heck is this? Garlic pepper seasonings. This thing smells busted. Okay, let me spin in the truck for a while. I have to sprinkle some of this up in here. Well, so is that considered like garlic pepper wings? Is it? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Ooh. Okay. Right here's the golf cart. This is beautiful. Bro. Got a go-kart. Go-kart. What the heck? Go-kart flow. Where are we at? I think we're in South Carolina. Yeah, we're South Carolina. Go-kart flowing. Something's really wrong with me. Look at, we outside. Oh, wait. Oh, we about to crash. We outside. No, we outside. We. Just woke up with the gang, but I'm completely boxed in. Like, what the heck, man? Completely. I'm gonna have to reverse out of here, but there's a median over here. Oh wait, somewhere to where it's gonna push me into the freaking scale. So I gotta back all the way up, I guess. I don't know. But these truckers just be doing anything. Yup, YouTube on, because I know you be watching. This part of you right here, just parking anywhere. Okay, day 2 of wearing the same clothes. It's time to go ahead and freshen up. Sometime today, not right now though. This is my happy place. I really feel like people may not get it, but sometimes, like, if you're just driving for long distances, watching the sunrise, it can really be solitude for some people. Like, it just feels like you're at peace. Like, you know what I mean? It's so relaxing and so calm. Is it just me, or is everybody like that? I don't know. I think all the rest of November, I'm just going to be shouting out people's names. So today we're going to be shouting out Natasha because I'm literally in Florida trying to take a break with the palm trees, lay on a beach for a few days in 80-degree weather. But no, we can't do that, can we, Natasha? No, we cannot. I gotta be with her instead of being on the beach with the men with the Speedos. There's no shade, but there's shade in this video. This is another video message for Natasha. Literally, I'm sweating. It's like 90 degrees. Thanks a lot, Tasha. Favorite place. It's not even that late, but it is late. Like, what is it, 7:30? But Jesse's not scared no more. We all know why. This is what I've been talking about. Okay, so this is the corner that I just walked from, right? I just came from this dark corner, right? I came through that walkway. Then you come over here, right? And then there's bathrooms over there. Then there's bathroom here. And then look, right? There goes the women's bathroom, right? There's two. There goes the family bathroom here. And then, look. Then there's no door. This is the outside. And it's a gate. Bro, where is the door? I could be peeing right here. Right? I could be peeing right there. And look, this is the opening to the entire freaking... What? Are you kidding me? Bro. Come on. Not, look, and then look. Why is the bathroom stall this long? Like, look how long it's gonna take for me to run from a bad guy. What? I'll be running for... Hold on. You know what else I just noticed? I'm the only one here. And it's only 7:30 tonight. Where are the people? Bro, 7:30 at a rest stop and nobody in here? Nobody is in here. Crazy. I gotta walk through the trenches. I gotta walk over here and hope there's no dude with chloroform waiting. And, like, what the heck? Bruh. Put the camera here first. But Jesus. I found Jared from Shipping Wars. And this was the moment it all started. Well, Dusty started overheating. And a little leaky poo. And my belts came off. My belts came off the pulley system. It's just like literally laying here. Like, why is my belt just chilling here? It doesn't belong there. It belongs on the pulley system. But, you know, it's really nice outside, though. And I've ran into a few friends. Well, I guess they ran off when I don't know, they got camera shy. But there's a couple geckos here. We were just, like, busting it up or whatever. So, yeah. It's just a nice day. We are back, rolling. A little delayed, but we're good. Me and Dusty, we got it, right? Where's he at? Yeah, we're back on the road, guys. slippers on. My radiator is broken. Okay, wait, where's the flash? I don't know if you can see me, but I decided to go back and lay down until AutoZone closed. I did my research. I think I just need some stop leak for now to get me back on the road. I'm gonna try it. I drove here from the gas station. It was only 5 minutes down the street, and the car was okay. It didn't smoke because I poured more coolant in it. So that gave me some good sign that the stop leak might actually work. So they open in an hour, so we're gonna take another nap until they open. But I made it to the parking lot of AutoZone. Well, it's now 7:30 a.m. They just opened up, and I put some stop leak in there and coolant. So I think we'll be okay. I'm not sure. Oh shoot, my check gauge light just came back on, bro. Uh-oh. Well, that didn't work out too well. So I called like, oh shoot, I called like a bunch of mechanics, and like one said they can come after 3 o'clock, and everybody else was just basically like no. But then I called this other mechanic. He was just like, oh, send me the address, I'll send the mechanic. And it was like 30 seconds of a phone call. So I don't know if it was real or not. But I sent him the address and everything. So I'm just sitting here. And I guess I'm going to just turn a movie on and eat my fruit. Oh, there's a barbecue spot right here I'm stuck at. So I'm going to go in there at 11 when they open. No point starving. Might as well. Made it to a mechanic shop. So it's like 1 o'clock, and I think I'm just over it at this point. Super over it. I feel defeated. I know I'm a fighter, but how much can I take, you know? So I guess we'll figure everything out when everything's done. So after sitting here for 8 hours, the mechanic was like, you need a hotel room. Looked like I had a rough night, but I didn't. I slept really good. This hotel room is actually really nice. It's a Days Inn, and it's really good. And it was only $80. And they got free breakfast. Like, what? So, hopefully my car will be done by 11, because I check out. I kind of want to stay here another day and just chill. Do my hair. Actually, I'm doing my hair right now. I kind of want to just like, you know, extend it. So I'm thinking about it, but I don't know.